Did you just say no? It's a deer in the headlights.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
I know. I think it's funny. Are you still here? Fucking leave already. This video is stupid. You have a lot of time on your hands. Go play with yourself. Whoever's gonna watch this is a loser. So you have to mark it as something very, very interesting so somebody looks at it and they're like, no, what the fuck? Did you just fart? No. Are you sure?
Yes.
It sounded about like butt rumble.
You would know best, wouldn't you?